Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the tools. Back up your files so nothing is lost. Then use Microsoft's Media Creation tool to create an 8 GB or larger bootable USB. You need to enter BIOS or UEFI settings to confirm USB boot and note whether Secure Boot is enabled. Disable Secure Boot if your USB won't boot. Once the USB is ready and boot priority set, power down, plug the drive in, and prepare to boot the laptop from USB. That starts the install. You boot from the USB and follow the installer prompts. Pick language, then click Install Windows. Choose Custom Installation to control partitions. Delete any old Windows partitions, create a new primary partition, and format it so Windows has a clean area to install. The installer copies files and restarts several times. Make sure you remove the USB only when prompted or after setup to avoid looping. Enter your product key when asked, or skip and sign in later. Activation can be completed after the final restart. You complete the out-of-box experience. Create or sign into your account, set region and privacy choices, and connect to the network so Windows Update can fetch drivers. Once at the desktop, run Windows Update, then install chipset, graphics, and network drivers from the laptop maker. Make sure Windows activates. If it does not, check your digital license or product key. If the laptop won't boot from your USB earlier, recreate the media and verify UEFI/legacy and secure boot settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.